I think younger generation is the only sort of hope about the future. So please think seriously and look world or look event from a wider perspective and long-sighted. That is very important. Many problems due to short-sighted and small circles in interest. So when we think oneness of 7 billion human beings, then naturally, so you can develop genuine sense of concern of well-being of the whole world. Then many man-made conflict on the level of, on too much emphasis on this secondary level of differences, then that reduces. If we consider the other so-called enemy, consider human brothers and sisters, then little bit argument, okay, killing never happened. Because still consider your brothers and sisters. If you too much emphasis on secondary level, yes, then different color, different religious faith, or not believer or non-believer, and within the same faith belief, still educated people, uneducated people, and owner or employee, all there are too much sort of basis of differences. Then also, I think reality, interest for difference of field is more or less, sometimes not much connected. So it depends. So then extreme competitions, jealousy, extreme competition, then these then creates frustration. Frustration creates, firstly, unhappiness, and secondly, then could develop violence. So, it is very important to think oneness of all human beings. That is, I feel, very important. It suits the basic reality. We are social animals. And in modern time, each individual nation's future depends on another. That is the reality. Then also we just discussed about ecology. It's very important. The concern about ecology should be part of your daily life. That's very important. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Join us. Too long. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. May I open? Sure. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Equality. Yeah. Equality. Thank you. Can you come on this bit? Thank you. Okay. Thank you. At the beginning, I touched you. Now, I want to touch. Thank you. So, thank you. Thank you much. Thank you. Thank you. Perhaps see you again. Future. Thank you. What is that? Oh, Ecuador. Thank you. Ecuador. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And thank you, everyone, very much for coming to today's event. Thank you, and thank you, Your Holiness.
Ladies and gentlemen, for all those participants who are invited to the Event the Media Lab, please remain in the auditorium.